afternoon. Chef Tim Souza here from Poor Judgment Bar and Grill in Newport, Rhode Island. Been a chef in Rhode Island for over 10 years, and today we're going to make scallops with a Riesling butter sauce. So to make this sauce, we're going to start with a couple simple ingredients. Start with some shallots, some orange juice, a little bit of Riesling, and those are going to go in the pan, and we're going to bring those to a simmer. Once you've simmered that down a little bit, you're going to add a little bit of chopped butter. Softened room temperature is the best. You're going to stir that in until the sauce starts to thicken up. Then we're going to season with a little bit of sea salt and some fresh ground cracked black pepper. Also, that's going to go over a bed of salad greens right here. You can see some lovely mixed greens. And we're going to get some nice seared scallops on top of the greens, drizzle our sauce, and we have some mandarin orange segments here that we're going to put on top for garnish. And that's going to have a lovely light flavored, crisp salad with some beautiful seared scallops. As you can see, I've already done everything for you over here. I have some beautiful seared scallops, and I have our lovely Riesling orange sauce right here. And we're going to go ahead and assemble the dish the way we would for everybody to eat. So I'm going to take a little bit of the mixed greens, just right here on the plate. Small bed will do. Take our seared scallops right on top of those. And then just a little bit of the Riesling butter sauce to top off the dish. And you can see it's gotten thick because of the butter. That's going to go right just over the scallops, a little bit on the plate. Make sure we get each scallop equally. And if you'd like, you can garnish with some orange segments right on top. And I like to just add a little green on top just to break it up. And there you go, you have some beautiful orange sauce with scallops.